Hello students, so these are the video solutions of the time and work questions that we also saw in class. Okay, so the first question, let us start. Suppose you can complete a job in 10 days, A and B together can complete a job in 6 days. How many days B alone can complete the job? So what is the LCM of 10 and 6? That is 30. So let us assume our work is 30. Our work is 30. LCM should be assumed as the work. That is the first principle. Then A alone can do 3 units of work per day, 3 units per day, 30 by 10. And A plus B can do 5 units per work per day, 5 units work per day. So that means B can do 2 units work per day, 2 units work per day, 2 units per day. Okay, 2 units work per day. Therefore days will be 30 by 2, 15 days. 15 days. Simple question on our approach, based on our approach. If 5 men, I've already told you this question was wrong. This question was wrong. If this question would have been like 5 men or 9 women, so it will be like 5m is equals to 9w is equals to 19 days. Okay, 3m plus 6w was found, so it will become 3m plus 6 into 5 by 9m, 5 by 9m, 5 by 9m, so it will be like 5 by 3, 10 by 3, so 3 plus 10 by 3, that means 19 by 3 m is required. 19 by 3 m is required. 19 by 3 m is required. So 19 days for 5m. Okay, so m is equals to 19 by 5. One man's efficiency is 19 by 5. Okay, so when you will calculate this, so you will get it as, so 5m is one man's is 1 man is 19 by 5, and so it will come out to be like this, so it will be like 19 by 3 into 5, 1 by 19 into 1 by 5. Okay, something like that. So it will be 1 by 15. That means 15 days. If you will assume one as work, if it is assumed, so it will be 15 days. Tough question. It will not come like that. Yes, UPSC have already shown. Okay, so third question. Third question is like 20% of the work in 8 days. 25%. So I have already told you, when there is a percentage concept, assume it as 100. So 100 if it is the work. So AX is completing 20 units in 8 days. 20 units in 8 days. That means 20 by 8 units per day. 20 by 8 units per day. Okay, Y is doing 25%, 25 units in 6 days. 6 days. So 25 by 6 units per day. 25 by 6 units per day. So how many days? 40% of the work will be completed. 40% of the work will be completed. So when you will add them, so when you will add them, so they are doing 20 by 8 plus 25 by 6 units per day. Okay, so 8 6 are 24 is the LCM. So this should be 20 into 3, 60. This should be 100 into 4. So 160 by 24. 160 by 24, when you divide it by 4, so it will 40 by 6 units. So 40 by 6 units they are doing per day. So, and we have to find 40 units. So 40 units, 40 by 6 units in 1 day. So in 6 days they will do, and they will do 40 units. Okay, fourth question. P works thrice as fast as Q. So P is equals to 3Q. P and Q work together 4 times as fast as they. So P plus Q is equals to 4R. Remember, these are efficiencies. Okay, PQR together work on the job. What is the ratio they should have their earnings? So P is equals to 3Q. Okay, so P and Q should be 1:3, 1:3. So these options are gone. These options are gone. Now, if you will say 3P, so basically P, so Q plus 3Q is equals to 4R. So Q is equals to R. So this will be the option. This is how you will do. This is the best way to do this question. W can do 25% of a work in 30 days, 1 by 4 of the work in 10 days. Like same 25% is the same thing. So suppose 100 is the unit work. So 25 units in 30 days. So 25 by 30 per day is for W. 25 by 10 per day is for X. Y can do 40 in 40 days. 40 by 40, that means 1 unit per day. 1 unit per day of Y. 1 unit per day is of Y. And Z can do 1 by 3 in 13 days. 1 by 3, that means 33 by 13 is Z. Okay, who will complete the work first? Who will complete the work first? Who will complete the work first? So this is some 2 point something. This is 2 point something. This is 1. This is 2.5, and this is less than 1. This is less than 1. So obviously this is less than 1. So maximum efficiency is with this. Is it greater than 2.5? Is it greater than 2.5? Yes, it is greater than 2.5 because let's say so 33 divided by 30, simple way you can go, like it will be 7, then it will be okay, so it will be 5, 65, 5 again, somewhat greater than 2.5 point wise, but somehow greater than 2.5. Okay, now this question, sixth question. Ram and Sham work on a job together for 4 days and complete 60% of it. So say, let's say 100 units were there. So Ram plus S in 4 days, 60 units. That means 15 units per day. 15 units per day both are doing. Ram takes a leave and Sham works for 8 more days to complete the job. So what Sham is doing, so Sham is alone doing 40 units in 8 days. That means 5 units per day. 5 units per day. That means Ram is doing 10 units per day. If it is doing 10 units per day, how many days it will take for 100 units? 10 days. Simple question. Again, 2 pipes A and B can fill independently tank 20 minutes and 30 minutes. If both pipes are open simultaneously, how much time they will fill the tank? Okay, suppose the tank is of LCM 60 liters. Suppose the tank is of LCM 60 liters. So let's assume the capacity of the tank is 60 liters. So one pipe is 3 liter per minute, second pipe is 2 liter per minute. Okay, 30, 60 by 30 and that. So they are like 5 liter per minute they are filling. So 60 by 5, 12 minutes they will take. Simple question. Again, this question was very easy. I have already shown you this. On the basis of that, based on this thing, you cannot like equate what will be the thing. 7 by 8 of the job. 7 by 8 of the job. So how many time will it take for 8 by 8? That means 24 days to complete the whole job, and 50% increase. That means 36 days की job हो गई है. 36 days की 21 days के लिए already काम कर रखा है. तो how many more days? 15 days. Simple thing. This was already done in the class. 10th question. Okay. Now A can complete work in 12 days. B is 60% more efficient than A. The number of days B taken by B to finish the same work. Okay. Okay, so let's assume 12 units work is there. 12 units work is there. Okay, and B is doing 1 unit per day. A is doing 1 unit per day. Okay, 1 unit per day. B is 60% more efficient. B will do 1.6 unit per day. 6 unit per day. So number of days will be 12 by 1.6. 12 by 1.6. So it will be 120 by 16. You can find it. So 120 by 16. 7. Okay, 7 will be 16 into 7. 16 into 7 will be 112. Okay, it will be 8.5, 7.5. This is how you will do. Assumption is the great thing that you can do in these questions. A water tank can be filled by a pipe in 4 minutes and by a smaller pipe in 12 minutes. If both pipes are open simultaneously, in how much? Again same thing. See, okay, so let us assume the LCM 12 liter का pipe है. एक 1 liter per minute भर रहा है, एक 3 liter per minute भर रहा है. 3 liter per minute. So combined will be 4 liter per minute. And 12 by 4 is 3 minutes. They will fill the tank in 3 minutes. Easy questions. Now this two pipes A and B can fill a tank in 12 minutes and 16 minutes. If both pipes are open together, then how much time B should be closed so that the tank is full in 9 minutes? This is quite similar to that, but next level question. So 48 liter का assume कर लेते हैं, that is the LCM. So one is filling 4 liter per minute, one is filling 3 liters per minute. Okay, so combinedly they are filling 7 liters per minute, 7 liters per minute. Okay, and 48 liter का पाइप है. So suppose x टाइम तक दोनों चले एंड x टाइम तक दोनों चले और 9 माइनस एक्स के बाद बस एक चला, 9 माइनस एक्स के बाद बस ए चला 4. सो द इक्वेशन व्हाट विल बी द इक्वेशन? सो 7 इंटू एक्स 7 लीटर पर मिनट इंटू एक्स मिनट्स प्लस 9 माइनस एक्स इंटू 4 अकेला ए चल रहा है उसके बाद इंटू 4 इज इक्वल्स टू 48 द टोटल कैपेसिटी ऑफ द टैंक, the total capacity of the tank. So based on this thing, so it will be like 7x plus 36 minus 4x is equals to 48, so 4x 3x is equals to 12, x is equals to 4. Okay, this is how you will do. So इसको समझ रही है इक्वेशन? इसका मतलब ये है कि 7 लीटर पर मिनट की स्पीड है फॉर x मिनट्स, देन टोटल मिनट्स कितने थे 9 और 9 माइनस एक्स तक चल रहा है अकेला 4 वाला. ओके, दिस इज द इक्वेशंस मीनिंग. 13th क्वेश्चन. A and B can complete a work in 2 hours 55 minutes. A alone can do the same work 2 hours faster than B. How long will B take to do the work alone? See, this question I want to have you tell you with a different approach. Suppose see A plus B are taking 2 hours 55 minutes. Let us assume A is taking so this should be some kind of an average of A and B. Until now you must have understood this thing. Okay, this should be some kind of average of A and B. So suppose and A is 2 hours faster. So let us assume B is 7 hours. I'm telling you how to do it with options. So B will take 5 hours. So what will be the average of them? Like when they will work together, so it will be like when they will work together, it will be like so if A is alone doing in 5 hours, so 2A will do it in 2.5 hours. Okay, and if 2B are doing together, so 2B will do it in 3.5 hours. And what should be the average of these things? This should be the average of these things. So it is around 3 hours. So our assumption is correct. You can go by options like this also. So it should fall between 2A and 2B. कि अगर दोनों सिर्फ ए काम कर रहे होंगे तो 2.5 घंटे में कर देंगे, अगर एक 5 घंटे में कर रहा है तो, और दोनों से बी काम कर रहे होंगे सो दे विल डू इट इन like 3.5 hours if alone is taking 7 hours. And if they are working together, it should fall between that. And this is the best way to do this question. Okay, now 14th question. A railway half ticket of any class costs half the full fare. Reservation charges. One full fare and half fare reserved first class cost. The reservation charge is. Okay, so this question is not related to time and work. I don't know why how it came here, but it should be like, see, half one full fare and one half fare are 54, and one reserved first class is 362. Okay, but the reservation charge is same on the half ticket as on the full ticket. Reservation charge is same on the full ticket as on the half ticket. Okay, so if you will multiply it by 2, like 2 into 54, 2 into 554 will be 3, like 1.5 है ना, तो ये 3 हो जाएगा, like 1 full fare and so 1.5 है ना, ये 1 full and 0.5 half, 1.5, so it will be like 2 full and 1 half. Okay, and if you multiply, and one reserved class, if you multiply it by 3, so 3 into 362, Okay, now this is also for 3 people, this is also for 3 people. When you will subtract it, you will find it at the answer of reservation charge 22. This is very logical, this is not related to time and work as such, but just very logical. Okay, again same thing. So A plus B can do a job in 20, B plus C can do a job in 30, and A plus C can do a job in 24. So what is the LCM of 30, 24 and 30, 20, 30 and 24? So it will be 122, 120. So A plus B is 6 units per day. This will become 5 units per day. A plus C will become 5 units per day. This will become 4 units per day. Okay, so together they are doing, so together they are making like A plus B plus C will be, A plus B plus C will be, so it will be like 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 units per day, 15 units per day. So 2 A plus B plus C, so A plus B plus C will be 15 by 2, and you can subtract, so A alone if you want to, so you can subtract this. So 15 by 2 minus 4, 15 by 2 minus 4, it will be 4 can be written as 8 by 2, so it will be 7 by 2. Okay, it will be 7 by 2. Now 7 by 2 is the efficiency. So how to find the number of days? By dividing the work. So 120 by 7 by 2, you will find the answer. So it will be 240 by 7, it will be 240 by 7. So 3, 21, 3, 0, 4, 34, something like that. So this will be the answer. So after finding this 34, you can go with the options. You don't have to do the whole calculation. So this was our solution for the time and work. If you have any doubt, you can ask on the group.